In this video today, we're going to be replacing the battery terminals on the battery, and I picked up these from Amazon. They're about $30. I'll put a link in the description. This one was super loose, not clamping down all the way, and the wires ended up just pulling away from it, clamped into here. They're a bit corroded. We'll clean those up. These ones also came with caps, which is nice. This style doesn't usually come with caps. These are about $15–20. They're not very expensive, but not the best type. So I've also got some of these. I'm going to put them on too, and we'll use a little bit of protectant on the terminals when we're done. Just keep them protected. Let's get to it. When you're putting your connections on and taking them off on the battery, you should always remove the negative first. Mine was already loose, just came right off. We'll grab a 10mm and zip that one off. Actually, it's loose too because I already did that, so we'll just remove her positive. Grab some sandpaper and just clean up these wires a little bit. You can cut them back if you don't want to clean them up, but we'll just get a little bit of that corrosion off. This is 320 grit. You can also take your battery terminal brush and brush these. I've already done that off camera. One more here to do. Get some of this crap out of here too. So one thing I like about these is it's not clamping all your wires in one spot. You've got 4 different spots to insert your wires, and it's going to clamp them down solidly and individually, so you can replace or add connections to them. I've already tested out this battery and it tested it well, so we're going to keep it. These are just different size Allen. So for the positive, we're going to use the 2 big ones. These are about the right depth. Just clamping it down. That makes a good connection. Squish the wire. Okay, both in there and nice and tight. And we'll move on to the negative. The negative, we've got 3 ground wires. So we're going to use the 2 big ones and the bottom small one on here. Well, let's do the middle one first. This one's lots long enough. Slide that in. Okay, one more. You know it's tight when it squeaks a little bit like that? Alright, there's our negative ready to go. And like I said, we will install this first, positive first. And the nut on these is a 14. And we do have to hold it with an Allen key. Okay, that's nice and tight. What I've been using lately for these is MPHD. It penetrates and hardens. May not look the best, but it does a very good job. There we go.